In today's video I will show you step by step how you can create a game pass for Please Donate. So the first step we will need to do is head over to roblox.com, and then once we are on our main homepage here, we need to go to the top left hand corner and select create. Once we do this, you will then be brought over to your dashboard, and then what we can do then is we can come down under experiences, and what you will notice is we've now got an option for our place. Now what we want to do is click on this. Once we select this, you will be brought over to this page where you can come over to the left hand side bar here and scroll down to where it says monetization. Under this option there will now be an option for passes, so if we click on this, that will then bring you over to here, and what we can do now is select create a pass. So once you've done that, you can then enter in the name, so we can just put in Game Pass, and then in the description we can put in Game Pass for Please Donate. So once you've entered in this information, that's pretty much all you need to do. All you need to do then is select create pass. Once you do this, you'll be brought over to this page, and then what we can do now is select our Game Pass in order to go ahead and customize this. Go over to the left hand side bar here, select sales. Once we select sales, as you can see, item for sale, make sure this is toggled on, and then you can now enter in the price in Robux. So you can put it in and put in whatever price you prefer. Under this you'll see the creator earnings that you will earn when someone purchases it for this price right here, and then once you do that you can then select save changes. Once you select save changes, that will mean that you have successfully created a game pass for Please Donate. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.